The protocol is applicable in studying the effect of surfactant inhibitors on hydrate crystals. It provides information on both the type of the crystal and the mechanism for inhibition.
Attach a 19-gauge needle to a 1 ml glass syringe. Rinse the needle and syringe 3 times with deionized water, and then fill the syringe with deionized water. Next, fill the hydrate visualization cell with 25 ml of cyclopentane. Using the syringe, insert a droplet of deionized water at the bottom of the hydrate visualization cell. This water droplet is the seed hydrate. Then, place the temperature sensor inside the hydrate visualization cell close to the bottom of the cell. To prevent evaporation of the cyclopentane, put the acrylic cover on the cell and screw the cover in place. Adjust the lights and the camera to focus on the seed hydrate. Using the temperature control device, set the temperature of the Peltier plate to -5 degrees Celsius. Monitor the values reported from the temperature sensor. When the temperature reaches -5 degrees Celsius, make sure the seed hydrate at the bottom of the hydrate visualization chamber turns to ice. Set the temperature of the Peltier plate to 2 degrees Celsius in increments of 0.5 degrees Celsius. When the temperature reaches 2 degrees Celsius, fill the plumbing with water using the syringe. Then, lower the brass hook into the cyclopentane and allow it to equilibrate for 5 minutes. Using the software for the pressure transducer, press the Start button to start the